Episode sponsor, Management Development Institute of Singapore, where lifelong learning begins.
सुबह की चाय के आज के हमारे ज़रा कुछ अलग से एपिसोड में आपका स्वागत है। अब आप सोचेंगे कि ये आज क्या अलग होने वाला है, तो जैसा आप जानते हैं हमारे हर एपिसोड में हम आपके लिए कुछ डिफरेंट करने की कोशिश करते हैं और ऐसा ही कुछ डिफरेंस लेकर आए हैं हम आज के एपिसोड में आपके लिए ऑन सुबह की चाय। आज सुबह की चाय पर हम पहुंचे हैं टू द मैनेजमेंट डेवलपमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ सिंगापुर, दैट्स MDIS, जहां के लोग टोटली फोकस्ड हैं इन इंश्योरिंग दैट द प्रोग्राम्स दे ऑफर मेक द बेस्ट फॉर द फ्यूचर ऑफ योर चिल्ड्रन। तो आइए सुबह की चाय पर हो जाएं कुछ पढ़ाई लिखाई की बातें ओवर आवर नॉर्मल यूजुअल कप ऑफ मस्त मस्त चाय। The Management Development Institute of Singapore, that's MDIS, established हुआ in the year 1956 और आज के दिन में है Singapore's oldest professional institute for lifelong learning। यहाँ पर ऑफर होते हैं बहुत से खास academic courses and seminars, and of course at the same time they make sure that the students are ready for the future of tomorrow. Apart from offering some fantastic courses, इनकी कोलैबोरेशन है विद वर्ल्ड रिनाउंड यूनिवर्सिटीज़ इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, फ्रांस, UK एंड द US। तो पढ़ाई जो कि हम सबके लिए काफ़ी बोरिंग हो जाती है, अगर जगह हो लाइक द मैनेजमेंट डेवलपमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ सिंगापुर विद स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट फैसिलिटीज़, न्यू जनरेशन कोर्सेज एंड साथ ही में इंडस्ट्री प्रोफेशनल्स जो आपके साथ बातें करते हैं अबाउट द प्रैक्टिकल स्टफ रादर दैन जस्ट द बुक्स, राइट? तो इससे बेहतरीन जगह क्या होगी? यस, ऑन सुबह की चाय टुडे वी विल टॉक अबाउट MDIS और सुनेंगे कुछ खास पढ़ाई लिखाई से जुड़े हुए बॉलीवुड के गाने। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। इतना तो आप मानेंगे ही कि सभी माँ बाप जोर से सभी रिश्तेदारों को बताना चाहते हैं कि मेरा बेटा या मेरी बेटी एक इंजीनियर है। MDIS स्कूल ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग, इट ऑफर्स फर्स्ट क्लास इंजीनियरिंग प्रोफेशनल्स को खास ही एजुकेशन इन द एरिया ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग। तो यहाँ से बन के निकलते हैं फटाफट अच्छे अच्छे इंजीनियर्स। कैसे? जहाँ पर एक कोलैबोरेशन है खास तरह की विद द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ ब्रैडफोर्ड। यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ ब्रैडफोर्ड के साथ में MDIS का जो ये इंजीनियरिंग प्रोग्राम है, इसकी खासियत ये है कि बाकी के स्कूल्स की तरह सिर्फ पढ़ाई करके बाहर नहीं निकल जाते सभी इंजीनियर्स। उतना भी करते हैं, लेकिन साथ ही में उनको मिलता है एक खास प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर। सो दे आर वेरी मच हैंड्स ऑन विद द इक्विपमेंट और जब तक बाहर निकलते हैं उनकी गारंटीड यहाँ से पढ़ाई भी अच्छी होती है एंड डेफिनेटली दे आर डूइंग वेरी वेल इन द इंडस्ट्री। जिस तरह से सुबह की चाय पर गारंटीड ही समझिए आप एंटरटेनमेंट को।
Hi, I'm Kingshik Chatterjee. I'm from Calcutta, India. The diploma and the advanced diploma that MDIS offers that's like a stepping stone for the Bradford degree that I'm doing currently now. It's an honors degree in business management. So, I mean, the advanced diploma that we went through, the first stage of our degree, it really focuses and really gets you going for the outside world, and really makes you work, and you're really out there, really working hard for it. And if you're getting a first class bachelor's degree in honors business management in Singapore, why not MDIS?
My name is Artur Akhmedzyanov and I am from Kazan, Russian Federation. Right now I'm a postgraduate student and I'm doing my Master in International Business program by Grenoble Graduate School of Business at MDIS. I enjoy staying in Singapore. I enjoy studying at MDIS because MDIS gives me an environment to be nurtured to the future leader, an environment to get cross-cultural awareness, think success think MDIS.
Good evening, I'm Zoe, on News at 12.
Investigations are ongoing, and the police are applying to witness for assistance.
I heard the screaming and two guys shots.
मीडिया कितना ज़्यादा ग्लैमरस माना जाता है इस इंडस्ट्री को, बड़ी मेहनत लगती है, इतना आसान भी नहीं है. But yes, if you have MDIS and the School of Media and Communication to support you, तो आप अपनी मंजिल को जल्द ही पहुंच जाएंगे. Considered as the pioneer in the area of mass communication in Singapore, MDIS है पहला इंस्टीट्यूट जो ऑफर करता है एक अमेरिकन इंस्टीट्यूट के साथ में accreditation, and that is the Oklahoma City University. जी हाँ, वहाँ के फैकल्टी यहाँ पर आके आपके बच्चों को पढ़ाएगी भी साथ में, और मैं अगर यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट हूँ ना तो I would totally love it. Hands-on facilities हैं, full state-of-the-art equipment है when we talk about TV and radio studios. तो और क्या चाहिए? यहाँ पर आपको मिल सकता है hands on experience when it comes to learning. So Dr. Thivendran, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much for having me on the show.
So tell us your involvement with the MDIS.
All right. When I came in about 23 years ago, it was a very small school with 6 staff and with a deficit of $60,000.
Right.
Some of the board members felt that they should stick to the original charter of supervisory management to support the industrialization move. But the government was thinking ahead and said that they wanted managerial training. I was then a business leader. So I think they must have heard my reputation and asked me to come for discussions, about 5 of them. I share with you that this school has got potential because everything I do, I want bigness. I do not like staying at status quo. That's not my style. So I told them I would be the Secretary General. Then the current president became the president. So they agreed, and when I came in, the first thing is I said we cannot go on with supervisory management. So we identified a good university partner, which was Bradford.
So you started with Bradford, that was like long time ago, and now you have many other universities which are very well renowned along with MDIS. So what is the next step? What are the various courses that you offer?
MDIS has got an array of courses. For a private independent institute, we have the business course, which is always popular, and that's where we started. Then we started the second one, which was with the American University.
Yes.
And now American universities are getting more popular than the British universities, and this one is kicking off. The mass media, media communication, travel tourism,
there is hospitality
management, and then we have one, the life sciences.
Yes.
And lately we feel that the regional market has got fashion and design, which we should be able, with our creativity, our students are shining in the world.
Yeah.
I think in a few years this one will kick off.
Okay, fantastic. So just now you mentioned fashion as one of the courses which are the newest at MDIS to be offered. So well, fashion से याद आता है हमें कि fashion एक film थी बहुत ही बढ़िया in Bollywood as well, where we can actually use one of those songs. आज हमारी सुबह की चाय के साथ साथ fashion का लुत्फ उठाते हैं और बातें करते हैं कि Singapore being one of the top 10 destinations for fashion and MDIS being one of the top 10 as well. तो यहाँ से बेहतर क्या जगह होगी जहाँ पर students can actually learn and experience fashion in the real world. आइए देखते हैं ये गाना.
Hi, my name is Anastasia and I'm studying in MDIS Business School. I think that studying in MDIS, it is the most exciting thing in my life. Most of all about MDIS, I like that there is amazing staff and professional teachers. I'm looking forward to continuing my education in MDIS because I think it will help me to be a good person in my life.
Hi, my name is Arnab Saraugi. मैं कलकत्ता इंडिया का रहने वाला हूँ. I'm doing my business administration in international business. I'm getting an Australian degree sitting here in Singapore, which is a double bonanza, and MDIS is providing me for that. MDIS is not only about learning, but you get the different cultural experiences that you don't get in India. You only get it in Singapore. That is MDIS.
Hi, I'm Sakshi Gupta and I'm from India, Pune. I'm studying in MDIS Business School for a year now. I've done the advanced diploma here. The course in Bradford has given me all I always thought of studying for. There are also other options that I have here, like a lot of business clubs, which give me more opportunities to explore my talents, my hobbies, my likes, which I can go around in Singapore and do it. Bradford also gives us an option to go to UK and graduate, which I am surely going to go. And also I hope to do my post-graduation with Bradford as well.
वेलकम बैक। सुबह की चाय पर हम आज बातें कर रहे हैं विद डॉक्टर देवेंद्रन, हु इज द सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ MDIS। जी हाँ, द मैनेजमेंट डेवलपमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ सिंगापुर, जहाँ पर दुनिया भर से बच्चे आकर पढ़ाई करने लग गए हैं आजकल। आखिर क्या है इस इंस्टीट्यूट में दैट राइट नाउ 76 कंट्रीज के स्टूडेंट्स आर स्टडिंग एट MDIS? लेट्स आस्क हिम। So, welcome again, Dr. Devendran, and tell us, what is that USP that MDIS really enjoys because of which students are attracted?
I'm a business leader. I want to attract the best business universities, business-oriented universities to this part of the world. So we got Bradford, and Bradford has now got a triple crown, which makes it a premier product.
Wow, okay.
Then following that, we wanted some more variety of business programs as a business leader. So we went to negotiate with Grenable. So now they are with us. We have the Oklahoma, and we are negotiating one more, which will be all premier products. So those who want a superior product and those who are knowledge bound, they will go for these products, which we feel that there will still be the market for it.
Okay.
Grenables is now conducting 2 of our top business programs in Singapore, and purely because they see a big marketplace in this region. In fact, Indian students are more coming for this program because it is a top international finance course, and they have another financial program which we feel would meet the global needs.
Okay. So there's Singapore, which has its own advantages and it's really known for that, and apart from that there's MDIS within Singapore, so that's double advantage for all the children, isn't it? Yeah.
True. It's double benefit for students.
Sure. So Dr. Devendran, thank you so much for joining us on this show today. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you very much, and a pleasure meeting you.
And we wish you and MDIS all the best. और इसी के साथ में चलिए सुबह की चाय पर पढ़ाई लिखाई से थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लेते हैं और देखते हैं हमारा अगला गाना। और अब आफ्टर ऑल दैट डिस्कशन अबाउट सीरियस पढ़ाई लिखाई, हम आप पहुंचे हैं उस जगह पर जो स्कूल और कॉलेज में सबसे ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होती है, विच इज़ द कैफेटेरिया ऑफ कोर्स। यहाँ का बिंदास एटमॉस्फेयर देख के ना मुझे तो वाकई अपनी स्कूल की लाइफ याद आ गई। वेल, व्हाइल आई एंजॉय ऑल द फनी एंड द फट्टेबाजी ओवर हियर, आप देखिए अगला गाना, एंड ऑफ कोर्स हम मिलेंगे सुबह की चाय पर अगले हफ्ते। Have a nice day.